Welcome back. I am Nina S. Harris. I am a certified Christian life coach to parents of adult prodigal children and author of How to Love and Pray for Your Adult Prodigal Child, available on Amazon. I am back again today with a new title. I want to expose 5 lies the enemy tells prodigal parents, and I want to replace it with God's truth. Okay, so let's get into it. Now, if you're a parent walking through this prodigal journey, you already know this season is spiritual, emotional, and heavy in ways most people don't understand. And in seasons like this, the enemy loves to whisper lies, quiet lies, dangerous lies, lies that hit you when you tired and you worried and you discouraged. So today I want to expose the 5 lies the enemy tells prodigal parents and replace them with God's truth so you can walk in peace, confidence, and hope again. So lie number 1, this is your fault. The enemy loves to turn your child's choices into a weapon against your identity as a parent and a person. He whispers, "You failed. You should have done more. You caused this." But here is God's truth. Your adult child has free will. You are not the Holy Spirit. You did not create your child's choices. You did not cause their rebellion. And you are definitely not responsible for their decisions. God is not blaming you, He is strengthening you. Lie number 2, your prayers aren't working. The enemy wants you to believe that your voice is powerless because if he can silence your prayer life, he weakens your spiritual authority. But here's God's truth. Your prayers are hitting battles that you can't even see. Daniel 10 shows us that answers are sent even when delays happen in the spiritual realm. Your prayers are moving things. They are protecting your child. They are keeping them alive. Heaven hears you and hell fears you. Okay? Lie number 3. The enemy loves to tell you that nothing is changing. The enemy wants to discourage you with what you currently see, so you will stop believing for what God is doing underneath and behind the scenes. But here's God's truth. God does his best work in the unseen. Remember, roots grow underground and seeds break open in the dark. We can't see it happening, but transformation begins before evidence shows. Remember that example. It's a whole lot going on underground and you don't see it until it comes forth. So just because you don't see movement doesn't mean God isn't speaking to their heart and isn't moving in their heart every single day. So lie number 4, your child is too far gone. The enemy wants you to believe that. He wants you to believe your child is unreachable so you'll stop standing in the gap and interceding for them. But let me tell you God's truth about that. No one is beyond God's reach. Okay? Remember David? He was found in the field. Moses was found in the wilderness. Jonah was found in the storm and then later the well, right? The prodigal son was found in a pig pen. Remember, he came to himself. Distance does not intimidate God. Rebellion doesn't intimidate God. Mistakes don't intimidate God. So your child is still in his reach. And last, number 5. The lie is that this story will end in heartbreak. The enemy wants you to expect defeat so you won't stand in faith for restoration. But let me tell you God's truth about that. God is the one who's writing the ending, not the enemy. Remember Jeremiah 31:17? It says, your child or your children will return. Not might, not possibly, not someday if everything goes right. It says will. And we have to stand on the word and the promises of God. We have to sometimes bring him to what he said. We have to bring to his remembrance, right? God has already spoken restoration over prodigals, and his word is final. So, parents, you are not crazy. You are not failing. You are not forgotten. And you are not fighting alone. Expose the lies of the enemy and hold on to truth. Keep praying, keep believing, and keep interceding and standing. Your child's story is not over, and neither is yours. God is still moving, God is still guiding, God is still working, and God is definitely still writing. So today, shut the door on the enemy and every lie that he tells you, and anchor yourself in every promise that God has promised you. Your prayers matter, your hope matters, your faith matters, and your child is coming home and returning back to God, back to faith. So that is it. If this message has encouraged you, please hit the like button and also share with another parent who could benefit from this video. Don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. That is it. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.